Hello, I'm Renu and I hope that you are doing well, happy, healthy. आज I'll tell you about how to tackle toxic people. Really, the toxic people is a really big problem everywhere, everywhere. Are you also afraid of some of the people? People are tension in your life? Of course. These kind of people come in everybody's life, and we the good people always suffer because of these people. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can be happy and how you can avoid and how you can tackle these people. This is very, very necessary to learn. If you are a student, then you must know that in office, in job, you will get these kind of people, not only in office and formal relationship, even in informal relationship, in family, in neighbor, everywhere you will find some these kind of people. So this is an art how to tackle these people. If you have not trained yourself, then these people will bring so much pain in your life. So here I have written some points. Look at, see there. Always keep in mind you will get these kind of people everywhere. Of course, make your mind like that. Wherever you are, either in family or in job or in business or in college, everywhere. Always accept. Keep in mind, you are not going to get good people always. You will get these kind of toxic people also, who will give you pain, who will be very negative, who will create some of the problems for you. So always think in your mind, be ready and know that these people will come and you need not to afraid. You need not to see that what they are doing and only just to get sad. No, you have to see these people and you are not going to आपको उनके जाल में बिल्कुल भी नहीं फंसना है. You have to understand everything, that what you have to do, how you have to tackle these people, because you know that these people are there and these people can bring any kind of problem for you, can create any kind of situation for you in which you will really feel very sorrow, feel very sad, feel very depressed. So in that condition, it is very, very necessary that you have to understand that you will get these people and you are not going to face these kind of people. You have to handle these people. Fine. Next is, try to know their weakness. Of course, each person has some strength and weakness. So you must know these people also have some weakness, and you must try to know what kind of weakness these people have, and then know these weakness and then work on that, because of that you will not get them space. You will be also able to control them, and you will not allow they are going to control you. Next is, don't take their words in your heart. Generally what happens, most of the emotional people, sensitive people, they feel very pain and they take their words in their heart. Don't make your weakness. Why these people are your weakness? Why you make other your weakness? You should be very confident and you should know your self-worth. Here I have written this point also. Know your self-worth and be confident. Why you are not confident? Why you don't know your self-worth? Why you see that these people are, whatever they say, they are saying anything and then you get depressed. Whatever they say, you become very sad. No, you need not to. You only have to be very confident. You have to know your self-worth, and you know that what I am doing, what I am thinking, I know the best about myself, and I know what you are saying, that kind of words I am not taking so much seriously, because these people feel very happy. Their motive is that just to make you depressed. Their motive is that just to make you sad. So you need to be very intelligent in that case, and you should know that what step they are going to take against you. You have to understand that thing. You don't take it lightly. Never take it lightly, and don't talk like I know that he has said like this today and she has said like this today. Why they have said? If they have said, let them say. Like so many people have said, Dalai Lama said, let them go, negative people. Don't take it so seriously. Don't think about them. What they are doing, let them do. You need not to be bothered about their action. If they are trying to harm you, you be a good observer. Try to observe. Try to catch the things, how they are going to harm you, how they are going to disturb you, how they are going to give you that pain, and you don't have to be the victim of that pain. You have to find the solution of that thing. So that is why then you have written here, just smile and nod. If you don't find any word, if they say anything to you, so don't show on your face that you are depressed because of these people, you are disturbed because of these people. No, just smile and nod. Okay, that's okay. Don't try to argue with these people, because only you can discuss to those people who are intelligent enough, who can understand your language. If they do not understand, you need not to try to argue. Most of the time it happens that we start arguing with these kind of people. If they are the toxic people, they are not that kind of intelligent people, then they are saying and they will say yes. No, the fight will increase. So never try to do these things. Whatever they are saying, okay, let it be, let it be. Listen, smile and nod, and just leave that place. Then don't focus on problems, only solution. If they always bring problem, so never go on the problem. You find the solution. Okay, what is the solution of this problem? You always ask or try to find the solution. Never try to focus on the problem, that this is a problem or that is a problem. This is not your aim. You have to, because problems are the part of life, and you have to find the solution of that thing. So never think about the problem. Try to find the solution. Next is ask direct to them. This is the best remedy of this problem. If any of the person is trying to harm you, giving you pain and giving you negativity, just directly ask to him, why you are doing this thing with me? What is the problem you have with me? Why you do this thing? Why? If you will directly ask to him, then of course he will be forced to give some answer. For sure, he will say, I am not doing this thing. You feel like that, I am not doing this thing. Or at the back side, he will be doing these kind of things. So do not think like that what answer he is giving. But at least you are confident and you are asking to him. Why? Because that shows that person know that you know that this person is going to harm you. This person is trying to harm you. So ask to him directly. Then avoid negative self-talk. Generally what happens, we start talking, we are sitting alone and we start talking that why this is happening, and we become so negative and negative and negative. Once you become negative and you start thinking on negative things, then you will see that the ratio will increase. You need not to be self-talk. You don't talk negative things, because that everything depends on our thinking. Because the people are taking action, they will take action. But that depends on you, how you react. If you are reacting negatively, why you are reacting negatively? Because you are thinking negatively. You don't have to think so negative. Try to be positive, because I know, however, this is very, very difficult, because when you go in office, you find the people are talking like this, they are behaving like that, they have just complained they have complained to your boss, and they have done something wrong, and now you are going to listen from your boss. I know this is very, very difficult. That is the life. That you have to learn. You are not going to get the bed of roses, then every time you will get, and okay, that's everything is okay and everything is this. No, you always get up in the morning and be ready that what bad things you are going to get today, and make yourself ready. Then how you have to tackle these things, how you have to face these things, what solution you have to find. Because if you are properly ready, then no one is going to disturb you. And then have some good friends. Always you must have good friends. Never be alone. Never think like that. All in a job, in family, in society, everywhere, you must have some of the good friends. Because of the friends, you will be able to talk to them. And whatever talk you will do with them, then at particular moment, you will try to forget that things. So you should have good friends so that they can accompany you, they can try to make you understood, and you feel relaxed with them. So these kind of things can give the solution of your problem. Again, I repeat, if you understand this topic, that if you are facing toxic people in your life, you will have to accept that you will get these people, and you do not have to take their words in your heart. Whatever they are, let it be. Do your work, do your best, and leave everything. Okay, I think this topic will help you a lot. If it is really helping, please do share and like with others also, and write on the comment box on which topic you want to listen, what things has become problem for you and you really want the solution of that. Please write on that. Thanks for listening.